So once you import the PSD file from ShareFaith and have done the text font, the font replacements, because often when you import these files, the font which is specified by the creator, you don't have it installed on your computer. You need to go download those fonts or use a substitute font. So once you've done that and you've got what you need, most of the time the image sizes are 3840 by 2160. So what you need to do to create the triple wide is to do image canvas size, set it to pixels, and then make sure relative is off, which it is by default, and change this to 720. So 3840 by 720. That's the triple wide, and hit proceed. It's warning you that things are going to get cut off. So the next step here is to select the title, which has all the fonts. If there is no title folder, you simply have to go and hold down Shift and select all the font, the things that have fonts. But here I just hit title because usually they have it grouped. And then you have to do edit, transform, scale, and then this is where I usually just rely on kind of this method where you lock the constraints here, so that'll make sure that the aspect ratio is always kept the same. Then you can go here to the height or the width and simply use your mouse and scroll, or you can type a number in there. So what I do here is just kind of, that looks about right to fit on the center screen, and just hit enter to save your value. Usually click the arrow over here and it'll ask you, do you want to apply? Say yes. And then as you can see, that's kind of washed out, so we'll have to do something about that. Also, it wasn't perfectly centered, so I'm just going to lift it up a little bit here to center it. And that's pretty much it. If you have any additional questions, let me know.